Access Network's Live Monitoring is a service that proactively monitors your Access Network system. Our support team become first responders to any potential network issues and will remote into the system to see if we can solve the problem. If we can't solve it, we will identify the problem and notify you so that your field technicians know exactly where to go on site to resolve the issue. By efficiently pinpointing issues, live monitoring reduces service calls and saves time in troubleshooting, which results in satisfied clients. Live monitoring is included with Core 2 and Core 3 systems for the first year and can be renewed on an annual basis. The clock on the included one-year monitoring service begins at the point of purchase, not at the time of activation. Access Networks will not begin monitoring until you log into your My Access dashboard at my.accessnetworks.com to activate the service. If you don't already have login credentials, contact your account manager and they can set up your account. My Access is not only where you manage your client's live monitoring service, it's also a great resource for product details and firmware updates. Once you've logged into My Access from my.accessnetworks.com, the company page is your hub to quickly view and control your account. To see the systems that Access Networks is monitoring, open the Systems tab. If you have a number of systems, you can use the search bar to quickly find one. The columns show the name of the system, the monitoring status, the primary contact for email notifications, the live monitoring expiration date, the support expiration date, and links to view details of the system and to edit the system status. If your system is ready and eligible for monitoring, an Activate button will be displayed. Remember, Access Networks will not begin monitoring until you activate the service. Once you click the button, the confirmation page loads. Toggle the confirmation switch to on and click Submit. You will receive an email at the notification address on file, confirming we received your request. At this point, there's nothing else for you to do. The system status will change to Activation Requested while our team reviews the system. We will contact you if we detect any discrepancies between the planned components and the actual deployment. Once a system is active, you can use the Monitored Systems dashboard to view and modify the live monitoring status. To edit a system, click the Edit button at the far right. This page shows the changes you can make. To request an extension, toggle the switch and click Submit. You'll get an email in a day or so with extension options. To pause monitoring, perhaps if a site is being renovated or is vacant, toggle the switch and click Submit. The System Details page indicates that the status is paused. Note, pausing service does not extend the expiration date. From this page, you can also request a monitoring extension or return to the System Edit options. To resume live monitoring, simply click the Edit button and toggle Resume Service to On. To update the primary notification email, select a new contact from the drop-down list and click Submit. It's important to remember that the notification contact is updated for this system only. To make a global notification contact change, return to the My Company Overview page and click the default Contact Edit button. Select a new contact from the drop-down list and click Submit. Click the checkbox to update all of your systems to this new contact. If you leave it unchecked, only new systems will default to the new contact email address. If your desired email contact or group is not in the drop-down list, you can add a new user or group from the Users tab. A system status will also update to show end-of-service alerts. The status will change to Renew when your live monitoring service is 60 days from expiration. Once your service has timed out, the expiration date will show a red X and the status will display as Renew. To reactivate service, click the Renew button. Toggle the switch to On, then click Submit. The status is updated to Renewal Requested, and someone from our team will contact you to discuss renewal options. You'll also receive an email confirmation to the primary contact. Remember, we don't start monitoring until you activate the service. My Access is the best way to manage live monitoring status, order new product, and take advantage of the help and resources we have made available.